movie about student life. Oh, okay, let's see. We're making a movie about life skills.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, do you have time?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. How was it to you to live on your own for the first time?
Okay. How much time do I get? Living alone for the first time can be tricky. At one point you're king of the world until you realize that you forgot to get proper food from the grocery store. You know, I felt so lost the first time grocery shopping. I chose stuff I love to eat and drink. The rest, stuff my mom used to get, which explains the hairspray, cotton pads, and the hair dye. A week after moving in my own apartment for the first time, I had a friend over for dinner. This time I bought all the food, but I couldn't find a clean plate to serve it on. He was not happy. When I started living on my own, I had to do my own laundry. I guess laundry is probably the most challenging part of adulthood. And yeah, the smell check. And also, one of the first nights I had in my student apartment was from Friday to Saturday. I woke up and I rushed out of bed, imagining oversleeping the first day of uni. It took me half an hour before I realized it was Saturday, so yeah, back to bed. I think I can speak for most students when I say that keeping a tidy apartment is hard. It took me several weeks to get used to cleaning without being told to do it. And sometimes my apartment felt like a jungle of trash and clothes.
Hey man.
He gave me a lecture about cleaning. So I kept it tidy from that day onwards. Oh yeah, another story I have is I was lying in bed studying. Suddenly it's pitch dark. So I had to Google how to change a light bulb. But it was too hard, so luckily my phone has a flashlight. This one connects to my first week of grocery shopping. I got up in the morning, time to do my morning routine. Whoopsie, no toilet paper. Note to self, never do the smell check again.
Okay, I'll need to stop you there.
Okay. But as you can probably see, I was not prepared at all. But still, I managed. And student life was, yeah, probably the best time of my life.